So I'm gonna be doing some bush hogging today, this morning actually, and I got my TYM 4815. I got my 6-foot medium duty Kodak bush hog, and I want to mow this little section kind of here behind us. And let me move the camera over there and I'll show you. So I'm wanting to mow this area over in here. It's about, I don't know, it might be an acre. I want to run my sheep over here, and I've already started on the outside of it. You can kind of see where they've been. But underneath all them weeds and stuff is some decent grass, so I'll put them on that this winter. And eventually I'm gonna fence down through here, and this is gonna be part of my, I guess our beef steer slash milking cow lot. So I've got the other part, and I've got the fence post up, but we haven't run the fence yet. And then I got a gate here, and then they'll come down in here in this section. So, but I want to get it mowed, and I'm gonna run the sheep. I'm actually working the chickens over this way, and I'm gonna run the chickens over here in this area too. And then I'm gonna seed this real good in the spring. So, hopefully that's my plan. So, but anyway, today we're gonna do some bush hogging there, and when I get time, it don't rain, I'm gonna till the where we're gonna put the fruit area. And then I need the bush hog over there because I'm gonna start clearing that fence row over there where the new garden's going. And we'll take you over there. If we make it over there, we'll take you over there and show you what my plans are. But I'm gonna get started on this, and before we warm my tractor up for a few minutes. And it's not really cold today at all. It's I think it's a couple days past Christmas. You'll be seeing this on a Saturday, so it'll be 3 days past Christmas. But today's pretty nice, but it's supposed to start raining about 2, I think. So I gotta get busy. Somebody slowed down, see what that's doing. All right, so we're gonna get bush hogging, and that way I'm gonna run my sheep over here. And I've got some farm equipment down here. I've got some over here somewhere. I gotta find it. It's in the weeds. I was actually gonna sell it this spring and never got around to it. I got a hay rake and an old hay wagon frame. We'll sell it. Matter of fact, I might do that next week. Pull that out. I don't know if I get that pulled out today. I got my John Deere up there. And I got a round hay baler I'm gonna pull out of the barn and sell it. I'm not gonna do any more round hay bales anymore. Mainly just focus on square. So I could trade it for something. I wish I had a really, really good square baler. I mean, well, I'm starting to meander. All right, so let's get this bad boy started up and get Hey, give us a thumbs up and a like.
And hit that subscribe button.
Right over here. It's free. Don't cost you nothing. decided to make this area for our cattle and not for the goats is we've got a good 5-7 strand fence right here that are perfect for cattle, and that's what it was put up here for. I don't know if you can see it on film. Let me get a little closer look. And I cleaned this out last year with a bobcat, and all I gotta do now is go back and bush hog and do a little chainsaw work. But one of the reason we're doing it, because that way we don't have to put like really, you know, 3 sides of fence. We don't have to worry about this. Now a goat will get through that, no doubt in my mind. And if I locked up there, I got the same fence goes all right on my property line, but up there I had to run another fence, you know, but on it with it, I'll run that field fence on it, so the goats, or that goat fence, not field fence. And so I had to run it through there to keep the goats in. Yeah, they get through that in a heartbeat. So that's one thing. Fence, that's why I'm gonna go that way with the goats. I don't think they need all this much area anyway. This would be better for cows, I think, or cattle, or a steer. We're gonna get a probably pretty quick. I'm gonna get that, try to get that. Well, actually, I'm gonna work on the goats first. I'm gonna get all that straightened up, get their lot all the way up to the other property line, get the boys in their own area up there, and then this area we're gonna maybe raise us a steer just for ourselves to eat, put in the freezer. So anyway, all right, let's get back. Well, I done messed up. I thought that tire looked low, and I thought, well, it'll make it. I get this done, I'll go air it up. Don't ever wait. 'Cause now look. I run it off the rim. Dadgummit. So I'll have to limp it up to the house and try to fix it real quick. Ain't nothing real quick, so let's see if the John Deere, I got the battery charged on the John Deere. Let's see if it'll start. We'll go do some tilling, and we'll come back to this. tilled up really nice, and I'm really happy with the way it is right now. So had a bunch of organic material I kind of want to work into it, and it's tilled up nice. It's still got a little bit of moisture in it, but it's not enough to worry about. So depending how much rain we get today or tonight, and I kind of feel like it's fixing to come, so I had to jump out here and get this. We might put the berries in tomorrow. We've got a bunch of blackberries, we got a bunch of blueberries, we got some raspberries. I would like to put some grapes up here. I haven't bought those yet, so. But if we put it in tomorrow, I'll make a video, and it'll be the next, probably the next one. So, but this is some of the best dirt on the property. This is where we used to have our garden and everything, and so it's nice. Be a nice little place here. We'll move everything else down that way. But this is some really nice dirt, and hopefully make a good berry patch. I think it's in a better location than down there, because down there behind the high tunnels I kind of forgot about it, and up here I'll see it every day and kind of take more care of it. So when I was setting up the camera to film on that tilling up there at the berry patch, I heard a bunch of commotion in there. I thought we might be having a baby, but nothing. No babies, so I'll keep you updated. I'm looking any day now. What are we thinking about, girls? They ain't talking. What are we thinking about? You don't know? Just when it happens. All right. Appreciate everybody watching. Give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Support your local farmer. We'll see you down here in the farm next video.